Are you worried that your customers are going to another competitor because of lower prices? I am Rashmi. I and my company Manleo have helped in gaining 70% productivity to 400 plus customers.
Think about it, the factors affecting your margins are how cheap your manpower is, how cheap your raw material is, how much your fixed cost is, what are your processes that are affecting productivity.
Now considering you cannot change much in manpower or raw material prices, that leaves fixed cost and process affecting productivity. While fixed cost can be run through your chartered accountant, productivity is totally in your control. Have you tried 5S or Kaizen? Have you considered pre-machining? Have you tried automation and probing?
Probing can increase your productivity. Call me for a free demo.
So what are you waiting for? Contact us today. Write to us at sales@manleo.com or visit our website www.manleo.com.